Welcome. Our topic coverage in this review questions is all about in the Book 2 of LTOM, specifically in Section 42, the taxing powers of provinces, Section 43, the taxing powers of cities, and Section 44, the taxing powers of municipalities. Number 1. Which local government level has the power to levy the tax on transfer of real property ownership? A. Provinces. B. Cities. C. Municipalities. D. Both A and B. Answer, letter D. Both provinces and cities have the power to levy the tax on transfer of real property ownership, as stated in the Local Government Code. Number 2. Which of the following taxes can be levied by provinces? A. Tax on transfer of real property ownership. B. Tax on business of printing and publication. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. Answer, letter C. Provinces have the authority to levy both the tax on transfer of real property ownership and the tax on business of printing and publication. This is in accordance with the provisions of the Local Government Code. Number 3. Which of the following taxes cannot be levied by component cities? A. Tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources. B. Tax on business. C. Community tax. D. Special levy on lands specially benefited by public works. Answer, letter A. Component cities cannot levy the tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources. This power is reserved for provinces, as stated in Section 138 of the Local Government Code. Number 4. Which of the following fees can be imposed by municipalities? A. Tax on transfer of real property ownership. B. Fishery rentals, fees, and charges. C. Amusement tax. D. Real property tax. Answer, letter B. Municipalities have the authority to impose fishery rentals, fees, and charges, as specified in Section 149 of the Local Government Code. This power allows municipalities to regulate and collect fees related to fishery activities within their jurisdiction. Number 5. Which taxing power is exclusive to cities? A. Real property tax. B. Additional Ad Valorem Tax on idle lands. C. Socialized Housing Tax. D. Tax benefited by public works. Answer, letter C. The exclusive taxing power of cities refers to a taxing authority or power that is granted solely to cities and not to other levels of local government. Number 6. Which of the following tax fees or charges can be levied both cities and municipalities? A. Professional tax. B. Tax on transfer of real property ownership. C. Amusement tax. D. Public utility charges. Answer, letter D. Public utility charges can be imposed by both cities and municipalities. These charges are levied on the user of public utility operating within owned by the LGU, such as but not limited to water and electric utilities. Number 7. Which taxing power can be exercised by all three levels of local government, the provinces, cities, and municipalities? A. Real property tax. B. Amusement tax. C. Franchise tax. D. Service fees and charges. Answer, letter D. Service fees and charges can be exercised by provinces, cities, and municipalities. Number 8. Which of the following taxes cannot be levied by provinces, cities, or municipalities? A. Franchise tax. B. Income tax. C. Professional tax. D. Tax on transfer of real property ownership. Answer, letter B. Income tax cannot be levied by provinces, cities, or municipalities. It is a national tax that falls under the jurisdiction of the national government. The power to impose income tax is granted to the national government through national tax laws and regulations. Number 9. Which of the following taxes can be levied by municipalities? A. Tax on transfer of real property ownership. B. Tax on business of printing and publication. C. Tax on business of financial institutions. D. Tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources. Answer, letter C. Municipalities have the power to levy a tax on the business of financial institutions. Number 10. Which of the following taxes can be levied by provinces but not by municipalities? A. Tax on business. B. Tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources. C. Socialized Housing Tax. D. Community tax. Answer, letter B. The tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources can be levied by provinces but not by municipalities. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment your questions and clarifications below. For continuation of this video, please see the link in the comment section.